Okay, the other day I had this annoying thing happen to me. I got a phone call from my brother, and I've got this iPhone 7 Plus, and didn't ring. The iPhone didn't ring, and he said, "Oh, didn't you hear me ringing?" And I said, "Oh, no, I didn't hear you ringing." So I was looking at the phone, and just looking at the settings, and I swiped up, and I could see my volume was right up and everything. It took me ages to figure out what was wrong, so I'll take the phone out, and it happens to be the side button because the side button now has you probably can't read it there. It comes up silent mode on or silent mode off, and I figured out what was happening because usually I'll use this case when I go out because it's got my driver's license and credit card in it. And then when I go cycling, I'll use this case, my quad lock, because I'll put it in here. I'll put it in here and put the plastic cover on, and that stops any sweat or rain or anything getting into the phone at all, even though they're meant to be moisture resistant and all that sort of thing. Even like sweat tends to get into your phone and affect the speaker a little bit. Um, so that's like water vapor tends to be able to get in a little bit. So that's what I do. So I think what's happening is when I'm taking this off, it's moving the switch, and that's what's causing the trouble. So I tend to check all the time now to make sure that little side switch on the side here, you can see here it's switching on and off. Silent mode on and silent mode off. So there we go, guys. I thought I'd do this short video to tell you about it because who knows, there might be like 20 people that watch my channel that's happened to them as well and haven't figured it out. So that's the thing, because back in the old days, back in the good old days, that button used to be the auto rotate lock switch. So that switch used to lock the screen so you'd keep the orientation. But now they've actually, I think since iOS 9, I read that they've got rid of that feature. Now it's all in software, so you swipe down and it's got the swipe up. I mean, swipe up and it's got the little icon there. And you can actually lock the screen in software instead of hardware now. So that makes sense, I guess. But the annoying part is when you change this, the actual it should come up. It should come up on the volume control. I think that it's muted, because then I would have noticed it straight away. But it doesn't. It doesn't come up at all. There is no way of figuring out whether your phone's in silent mode apart from flicking the switch a couple of times and seeing which position it's in. So it's a little bit of a poor design, and I don't know whether I can report it somewhere, but it's probably worth doing. So I'm probably not the first guy that's done it. Anyway, guys, hope you like that one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.